An Indian cricketer, a well-known face from the entertainment industry, and an 8-year love story that almost nobody saw coming. Ramandeep Singh and Charlie Chauhan are now married. And their wedding reception turned into a star-studded cricket celebration, with Yuvraj Singh, Abhishek Sharma, Arshdeep Singh and several other cricketers taking over the dance floor. But while the celebrations are going viral, beyond the star-studded celebrations, it's the story of how these two managed to keep their relationship private for 8 years and the age gap between them that's now making headlines. Because despite both having public careers, Ramandeep and Charlie managed to keep their relationship almost completely away from the spotlight until now. Ramandeep Singh and Charlie Chauhan tied the knot on August 7, 2026 in a traditional Anand Karaj ceremony at a Gurudwara in Pinjore, Panchkula. The wedding itself was an intimate affair, but the celebrations that followed were anything but quiet. At their reception, Punjab's cricket stars came together to celebrate the couple. Yuvraj Singh, Arshdeep Singh, Abhishek Sharma, Harpreet Brar, Naman Dheer and Rahul Sharma were among those seen at the celebrations. Singer Ranjit Bawa also performed, and soon the cricketers were dancing along with the newlyweds. Arshdeep Singh was seen dancing with Harpreet Brar, while Yuvraj, Abhishek and Arshdeep joined Ranjit Bawa on stage. And of course, Ramandeep and Charlie joined the celebrations too. The result, a wedding reception that looked less like a quiet family celebration and more like a full-blown cricket party. But behind those viral dance videos is the part of this story that has surprised fans the most. 8 years. That's how long Ramandeep and Charlie say they have been together. The couple made it official with their wedding pictures and one simple caption: "Our 8 years and now forever." For years, they kept their relationship away from the public eye. No constant appearances together, no elaborate social media reveals, and no public relationship announcement. The couple have never publicly revealed exactly how or when they first met, but their wedding caption confirmed that their relationship goes back 8 years. And now, after keeping that chapter private for so long, they have finally shared it with the world. The wedding has also sparked plenty of discussion around their age difference. Charlie Chauhan was born in 1989, while Ramandeep Singh was born in 1997. That's roughly an 8-year difference based on their birth years. But social media reactions have largely focused on something else: their chemistry, their simplicity, and the fact that they managed to protect their relationship from the constant scrutiny that comes with being public figures. And that privacy is particularly interesting because Charlie herself is hardly an unknown face. Charlie Chauhan has been a part of the entertainment industry for well over a decade. She first appeared as a contestant on MTV Roadies 7 in 2009. She later participated in Nach Baline 5 alongside choreographer and actor Kumar Amarjeet Singh. Then she took on the lead role of Ella in Best Friends Forever Kya. But for many young audiences, her most memorable character came with Mukti Vardhan in Kaisi Ye Yaariyan Hain. The role became one of the defining performances of her career and made Charlie a familiar face among youth audiences. Charlie has remained active on social media, with around 1 million Instagram followers, giving her a significant digital following of her own. So this isn't simply a story about a cricketer marrying someone away from the spotlight. It's about two people, both with their own public identities, who somehow managed to keep one of the biggest parts of their personal lives private. And then there's Ramandeep Singh. Born in Chandigarh, Ramandeep built his career through Punjab's domestic circuit before making his mark in the IPL. His all-round abilities earned him a place in Kolkata Knight Riders squad, and he was a part of the KKR team that won the IPL title in 2024. Then came his India debut. In November 2024, Ramandeep made his T20I debut for India against South Africa. He has represented India in 2 T20 internationals, scoring 15 runs and taking 1 wicket. In the IPL, he has so far played 39 matches with 399 runs and 7 wickets. So while cricket fans know him for what he does on the field, this week they've been introduced to a very different side of Ramandeep. And perhaps that's what makes this wedding so intriguing. a cricketer, an established entertainment personality, two public careers, and yet an 8-year relationship that remained almost completely private. From a traditional Anand Karaj ceremony to a reception filled with some of Punjab and Indian cricket's biggest names, Ramandeep Singh and Charlie Chauhan have finally stepped into the spotlight as a couple. After 8 years of keeping their love story away from the cameras, they've now made it official. 8 years together and now forever. For more news and updates from the world of showbiz, stay tuned to Times Entertainment.